some kind of flower. So let's get started. First of all, let's go with this little ground area. So for the flower I'm going to use make this bush area just like this area, some kind of bush like this. So let's take a random green color and color it like this. Okay, and if you want to add some details more on, you can add it. It's all up to you, but be careful, don't go outside of the draw line. Okay, I always say that don't go outside of the draw line when you're coloring some area. Okay, be careful when you are drawing. It can ruin your drawing. Okay, and also it will not look good. As you can see, I messed up something like this here, so don't do it. It will ruin your drawing. Okay, so and also here. Okay, and let's cover it this. Let's color like here with some kind of flower. Okay, and some orange color middle of the flower. Okay, as you can see, it looks so nice. And let's draw this egg. So first of all, this egg should be some sort of sky blue color, just like this. Okay, leave this round shape area. And what is your favorite animal? Let me know in the comment section. So you can I'll be very happy if you let me know in that. Okay, just wait a second. I'll be back in time. Just wait a little bit. So thanks for waiting. I'm back, and okay, so it's done. And now this little black area, just like this. Okay, so it will be done in few minutes. Just wait a little bit and it will be done. And now it's our time to draw the dragon. So also some this color on the dragon, red air like this. Okay, and then its body will be this color also, because its egg is sky blue color, so our dragon also will be the sky blue color. Okay, and now it's time to paint the blue color. His entire face, like body like this. So basically it's our baby dragon. So it's now his wings or fangs, whatever you say. Trying to draw this. Okay. Man, it's so disgusting when the lights go off. Okay. And now it's horn. It's gonna be some red color. Okay. Just draw it like this one, this, and also this. So our first dragon drawing is complete, and let's move on the other one. So also its wings gonna be blue color. Okay. And this dragon is a little big one, so it's gonna be some sort of green dragon like this. Okay, his entire body will be some green color dragon, just like this. If you want, you can use another color. It's all up to you. It's not necessary that you have to use what I am using. Okay, and from here to here, it's gonna be the red, because it's his horn or hair, I don't know. Baby dragon like this. Okay,